stops kids dreaming these days?
They start following the gang. It's kind of hard. It's really hard, and I get it, to walk your own path. And it's not just today, it's always been. I grew up with a bunch of guys. When I was 13 years old, the summer between 7th and 8th grade, I woke up and all the boys on my street, I said, hey, we're not friends anymore. Because we grew up, you see where I grew up, and they would call themselves sufferers, which seems so dead end to me. It's like there's no hope. And it just, even now, it felt so burdensome. And I could not embrace that. So there's one thing I'm really proud of for myself is the fact that I'm not afraid to walk by myself. You have to be willing to be uncomfortable, right? And too many people just want to be with a crowd. And I chose not to be with the crowd. I went running. I stayed in school while they were chilling and being cool. And then after that, I'm an army officer, and I'm the one who's cool, right? So you have to be willing to pay the price, I think.